The best way to get better at HTML is to practice writing HTML. And so far, we've written a lot. If we come to Figma here, we can see we've written our entire landing page. We have the whole navigation set up, we have our H1, and we have our make your menu link as well as the image. So here is what it looks like. And then if we come over to our HTML output, we've got the logo, we've got the two buttons, we've got the H1, we've got the other button, and then we have our enormous image down here. Of course, it doesn't look like what our design looks like. That's the world of CSS, which teaser, that's going to come a little bit later. But right now, we've got all of the content out there. So to practice, I really recommend just going through this process a few more times and just trying to build a few more splash pages or really any page. You can do this with your own designs if you've got something that you've done recently, or you've always wanted to try coding in HTML. Another really good resource, I'm sure you know Dribble. Go check out a splash page. They've got tons and tons of good examples. This is a great one, really simple. Start with an image. You've got an H1 there. You've got a link there. You can go ahead and just practice a couple of these to really get a feel for your HTML elements. So go ahead, give that a practice, and we will see you all in the next lesson.